you watch my last video about Angel Smith, you no go believe wetin don happen since then. Passport don disappear. Angel mama don enter the matter wella. With her voice note, Tumininu don officially confirm say the marriage don kpai, e don end, and $48,000 demand still dey for table o. Dis matter e no dey tire, e no dey finish, but make I update una for everything wey don happen since the last story. Quick recap for those of una wey just join us. BBNaija Angel Smith marry her partner Tumininu for US for March. E no reach 2 weeks o. Cheating allegations, CCTV drama, police enter Dior store, and $48,000 demand burst everywhere. If you never watch this part 1 of this Nollywood abi Hollywood, go check am for my channel. But today na part 2 and e don escalate. The matter e no dey for this level again, e dey the next level. Angel herself don finally break her silence, and the first thing wey she reveal shock everybody. She say Tumininu na im hold her passport. She also talk say Tumi don seize all her clothes, and those are fine fine bags wey she don dey buy since wey she go America to go buy bags. Angel talk say she even don tell police people for yonder say Tumininu na im dey with her passport. Imagine say you dey America, your marriage don scatter, and somebody dey with your passport. You cannot fit to travel go anywhere again o. You no fit run, you no fit escape. You just dey stuck like that. This one na serious wahala, I swear. Then Angel mama come enter the matter wella with her own voice note. For the audio wey don already dey go viral, she push back against Tumininu claims. She come question the allegation wey say her daughter mishandle money. She talk say the money wey dem dey talk about siddon wella inside the bank account for safekeeping, say nothing do the money. Her tone show say she no wan beg o. She no dey apologetic at all. She dey unapologetic and confrontational. Gbas plus gbos. She make am clear say she no longer care about public criticism, and she don tire for how people dey see her for this online. She say make una do una worst. What of Tumininu? She no gree keep quiet o. She fire back say Angel mama na im encourage dem to go ahead with the marriage despite ongoing concerns. She talk say she bin raise so many warnings against Angel lifestyle, and say the people wey dey around her, nobody listen to her. So we get mama versus partner, full family drama for inside American. And finally, at last, e don dey confirm the thing wey everybody dey wait for. When one Snapchat user ask Tumi if dem still get any chance for her marriage with Angel, Tumininu reply am with these words: "It is dead on arrival, DOA." That is to say, marriage don officially finish for dem. Tumininu still dey demand full $40,000 returned and $8,000 for emotional damage. She don sign annulment papers and written agreement to make sure say she no go ever dey tied to any immigration or financial matter wey go concern Angel. She say, "I want to resolve this peacefully, retrieve wetin be my own, and move on with my life." Oh, how sweet of you, baby. Okay, make I give una my take for this part 2. This matter e don move from marriage drama to something wey dey more than serious. Passport, money, police, mama voice notes. Angel dey stuck for obodoyibo America with no passport. Tumi dey demand $48,000. Both mama and daughter don enter. The whole world dey watch o. But you know wetin pain me most? Nobody win here o. Tumininu spend everything and still get heartbreak. Angel marry somebody and now dey trapped without her passport for far far America. I think say both of dem enter dis thing too fast and now dem dey suffer the consequences. Lesson for everybody: love no dey enough o. Make you get sense put. Get your own money join. All go make love sweet. No marry for money o. Marry for the right reasons, because when things go wrong, the wrong go dey very wrong. Wetin you think about this matter? Abeg drop your comment for inside comment section. If you miss any part, make you go for my story, go check am now for my channel Naijagistcentral. Help me to like this video, make you share am for your WhatsApp and subscribe for fresh Naija tori for pidgin English o every week. My name na Clara. God bless una plenty. It is sign out.